Blacked Out Jeep Wrangler here again. Wanna know what it's like being a YouTuber? Let's get this going. It's 8 AM in the morning. YouTube comments. Gotta reply. Instagram comments. Gotta reply. Emails, gotta reply. You remember that commercial video that I was working on? The behind the scenes video? Well, it's almost ready. Just working on the credits right now. And always trying to plan the next video.
Hi up, my friend, how are you?
Good. How are you, my friend?
I'm good. What's up?
Not too much, man. I was just actually following up in regards to a conversation we were having in regards to the JL. Yeah, I just wanted to see if you had a better idea of when it's coming in.
It's already in.
Oh, wow. That's good news.
Yesterday.
This weekend work if I wanted to come by to do a walk around?
Yeah, for sure. Weekend you can come and have a look at it, see it, and do some more stuff.
Sure. Thanks.
I'll call you for sure.
Alright. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Thanks,
Okay, take care. Good to see you. Bye. I'm trying to get those videos out to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned for that one. Next thing is brainstorming a video and then getting in front of the camera. 'Tis the life. Final step, the editing. Alright guys, this was the everyday life of a YouTuber. Hope this was fun, informative, and just entertaining. We'll see you guys soon. Remember, please subscribe, hit the like, share. Take care.